Authentication can make or break your app security. Today we're diving into Keycloak and JWT. This is to help you decide which one fits your needs. Let's dive in. First, we have Keycloak. It's an open source identity and access management platform. Think of it as a ready-to-go solution for user authentication, single sign-on, and role-based access control. It handles user registration, login, and even social logins like Google or Facebook. You get a server you can deploy with tons of customization for enterprise-grade security. Now JWT, or JSON Web Token. It's a lightweight standard for secure data exchange. It's a compact token for 3 parts: a header, payload, and signature. JWT is stateless, that is, servers verify tokens without storing session data. It's perfect for APIs where you need quick, secure communication between systems. So, how do they stack up? Keycloak is a full-blown system, while JWT is just a token format. Keycloak uses JWT under the hood but adds user management, SSO, and admin tools. JWT on its own needs you to build those extras. Scalability? JWT shines for microservices since it's stateless and fast. Keycloak needs a server, so it's heavier but great for centralized control. Ease of use? Keycloak's plug and play for complex apps but has a learning curve. JWT is simpler but requires custom coding for things like token refresh or user databases. Security? Well, both are secure, but Keycloak offers built-in features like multi-factor authentication, while JWT, you're on your own to implement those. When to use them? Pick Keycloak for enterprise apps needing SSO, user management, or compliance with standards like ZeroAuth 2. Go with JWT if you're building lightweight APIs or mobile apps where speed and simplicity matter most. Here's a quick chart to sum it up. Keycloak's your go-to for big systems. JWT's best for lean, fast startups. Choose based on your project needs and you can't go wrong. Got questions? Drop them below and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you next time.